Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And that's a 16 by 20 inch canvas. And I'm getting ready to do a much larger painting, and I want to do a little sketch. I really want to play with my colors in my squeeze bottles in a very irreverent way by just using my Oxo Omelet turning spatula and spreading some colors across the sky area and do another scape. Where did that go? I like my Oxo Omelet turning spatula because usually it means I can see whatever happens to be showing itself when I smooth it across this. Yeah, there it is. That's what I was looking for. Whenever I smooth the paint across to spread a layer to work on, which is my intention. But mostly I'm going to play because I'm not sure if this is going to be part 1 and done or part 1 and 2. But I do want to make sure I have enough paint on this canvas to spread more paint. And I don't mind if it doesn't look perfect to begin with, because skies are not perfect. And they're often a lot of variegated colors. Ombre, let's call them. You know what I want to do? I want to take the paint that's on my spatula and rub it on the edge of my canvas right now while I can, so I have at least one side covered. And then I'm going to go on the other side and rub that on too, just so I have something basic on there. All right, that's a nice. I'm happy with that. That's not a bad sky start. And I got some blue out. Did I put it away again, I wonder? Nope, there's the other blue. This is a metallic. It wasn't coming out earlier, and it seems to want to seal up on me today. I'm just going to throw myself some white in there. Do a little on the canvas mixing. Because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link, which just basically shares with you the first 100 videos from YouTube. Come out. Really? It's just going to be like that? Well, I'm kind of wishing I'd put some yellow down first, but I don't think it would matter because yellow and blue are always going to make green. So no matter what order I put it down, I'm going to have to be a little careful about it if I want some yellow in there. I'm getting a nice shade of lilac. I'm not sure how far you can see, and I don't mind taking the excess paint from down below and putting it up above. And vice versa, because it's mixing and blending quite nicely. I want to do some riotous, crazy clouds, but that may come tomorrow if I so decide that this is not a done deal. I really just want to keep playing. Generally, what I wanted to do was use the basting brush, but it leaves too many marks, too many intense marks. And I just want to keep adding colors that I like and spreading them around. I would like to leave some of this paint out of my way. Oh look, I have a dish of colors. I wonder... Yep, okay, I've got a dish of colors setting up and I need to use it. There we go. That's my sunset sky for tomorrow, I guess. That was unexpected, but that's okay. I've got a few lumps in there I can see too. I said I wanted some yellow in there. Do I get it? Yeah, maybe. I want to clean off this other color. I like that blue, but I also want some white, some more white. And I like this blue. Maybe I'll put, who knows, a mountainside or something in there. I'm going to take that yellow away before I make green. And I'm going to go ahead. Really? I say that and then it doesn't, whoa, okay. I was going to say I say it and it doesn't work out, but it came forcefully into the equation. I have all kinds of stuff dripping over on my edge. None of it looks anything like what's on the surface. So, I'm not looking for cells at all. I would like just once for my bottles to be available to me, but the truth is I walk in the house and I upload a video or something, or get the pictures off my camera, and while I'm gone, what happens is that the bottles get plugged. I'm trying to see what else I might like, and I kind of like that imitation cloud area. I know I won't get it back again, but I'm having kind of a good time just playing with this. I want some darker orange up here. I've never just gone hog wild crazy sky before, and I'm really kind of enjoying it, giving myself permission to be crazy sky. I want some, do I? I want some Prussian blue, even though it's very dark. I do love my Oxo Omelet turning spatula. I gotta say, that is quite the sky. And I don't care if it is gonna have to be for tomorrow. I'm not done yet either, because anything can happen, you know that. I do like putting the white in there and sort of making those striations that are cloud-like. What else do I want there? I want some real purple. I'm going to use this color that I've sort of made up down at the bottom by accident. And I figure I can always just put whatever I want in for a landmass. Come out. Just once. Oh, yeah, on your hand. Good place to put that. That is a beautiful color. Some of which I'd like somewhere else. There we go. And really, all I want to do is put a little landmass at the bottom and call it good. And I think it's not impossible that I might still go there. I don't know how much of that you can see. Obviously I was going to have to fix that. I did put some white up there, which means it's not all canvas showing through. I have left a few things in my way, including my timer that I did not set. Clever girl. Hey, it happens. Well, I'm going to take the paint that's on my spatula that's looking very much like the sky below my edge of my canvas and use it right where it's at, because it won't come again even if I try, for sure. So that's a it'll be what it'll be sort of deal. I should have an instinct about how much time is left by now, but I'm really enjoying the bottom of this, looking like I could spread enough paint there, if I could spread enough paint there to call it good. Oh, I had a moon. I love that pink. That pink is just stellar. Whoops, that was a lot of that pink. I better really love that pink. I would really like, yes, to be brazen. Oh, come on, really? Come on, just once. It's like I'm being tested. Oh, I like it so much. I'm gonna have to have some more. This is too much fun. I'm really having fun now. I am. Unreal. Cool sky. is that white paint or is that white canvas? It doesn't matter now. Where's some pale blue? Do I have some pale blue? Do I really want some pale blue? I'm going to just put it on the... I swear, one of these times, it's just going to come right out. Oh, wrong side. I think if I go any further, I might be really sorry about the muddy effect I could have. And I'm thinking just to have a little tiny escapey area at the bottom, be a pretend mountain range or whatever, wouldn't be a bad thing. I want that paint on the edge to go over, but I am willing to make allowances for this kind of artwork. If you can't get the paint to go over the edge, just frame it. No, I didn't make mud. Yes, it's really cool. Do I want something else in here? I'm gonna do it. Because I'm that way. Because I can. Because my book is because I can. Yes. Okay, so that was crazy, and that's still okay. Crazy's good. Yeah, I like it. I'm good with it. I'd like that to be a little cohesive. But it's a sky. It's just a crazy, crazy sky, and that's okay. And there's my landmass right at the bottom. Just barely showing. Just gonna mix it with everything. And probably wipe it along the bottom too. Because I can. And you know what? I want some Prussian blue down there. And if it happens to leak up over, that's okay too. Okay, well, that was different. That was different, and I'm not totally done yet, but I'm getting there close, close, close. I kind of almost want a little dot of sun to see what it looks like in the sky. And for that, I am tempted. Oh, come on, just come out just once. Okay, let's get some paint. There we go. Let's give us a sun. Okay, well, it is what it is. If I don't like it, it's going to be so small that I can get rid of it tomorrow. I do see that I've got something up there that I want to go. I'm going to wipe off my spatula. So, being that you could be gone any second, I'm going to say this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, saying I love you, 53,000 subscribers, and please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It helps my placement on YouTube, and I want just a little bit of that. No, I can't have whatever I want, evidently. Anyway, so I will see you guys in another video. Check out my end screens for this month's contest, and 480 videos, or more or less, anyway. And come again. I look forward to seeing you. This is Priscilla Batzell. I said that. I have crib notes. Check out my Instagram. Check out my Pinterest. Check out my Facebook albums, volumes 1, 2, and 3 of YouTube artworks. If I get any more frisky with that, I'm going to be not happy soon. Oh, look. Cool. So we're good. I'll show you what I can see, and you can decide if you like it for yourself. And that's my crazy spatula sky. And I'm very tempted, since I used a spatula, to not even bother trying to use a torch on it. I'm going to see if you guys are still here. And you are still here. So I can tell you again, I love you again. Let's see if I can get all of that in the picture. Alright, so what did I not tell you? I said my book is Because I Can. It's on the Amazon link. It's below the video. If you click show more, and you're going to find the gold mica powder that I usually share, and the Oxo Omelet turning spatulas, and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, but especially the Oxo Omelet turning spatula that just made that incredibly cool sunset sky. So I will see you guys anon, and whatever I didn't tell you, you'll see in another video. Just keep watching. You help me out by giving me a thumbs up. You help me out even more so by watching more videos and spending more time watching individual videos. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.